Question number 6. This question is of circular measure. The diagram shows a sector OAB of a circle with center O and radius RCM. This is the sector OAB. Radius is R centimeter. Angle AOB is theta radian. Angle AOB is theta radian. It is given that the length of arc AB is 9.6. The length of this arc AB is 9.6 centimeter and that the area of the sector OAB is 76.8 cm square. Area of this sector is given, that is 76.8 cm square. Find the area of shaded region. This is the shaded region. To find the area of this shaded region, first we find the area of sector OAB. Then we find the area of this triangle OAB. Subtracting these two areas, we get this shaded area. Formula for area of sector is area of sector OAB is equal to 1 over 2 r square theta. Let this is equation 1. Length of arc AB is equal to r theta. Let this is equation number 2. So first of all, we have to find the values of r and theta. So solving these two equations simultaneously, area of sector is given and the length of arc is also given. So we can take a ratio to solve this. Equation number 1 divided by equation number 2, we get 1 over 2 r square theta divided by r theta is equal to 76.8 over 9.6. These are the values of area of sector and this is 9.6 is the length of arc. So simplifying, we get cancel out. We get r is equal to 2 into 76.8 over 9.6. So r is equal to 16. Simplifying it, we get the value of r is 16. Now length of arc is given, that is 9.6. Formula for length of arc is r theta. So we can write r theta is equal to 9.6. Putting this value of r here, we get theta is equal to 9.6 over 16. We get theta is equal to 0.6 radian. Now area of this triangle, we have to find this area of triangle. Now we find the area of this triangle OAB by using formula 1 over 2 AB sin theta. This is A, this is also this is B and this is theta. So using formula 1 over 2 AB sin theta, we get the area of triangle OAB. area of triangle OAB 1 over 2 AB sine theta, 1 over 2 A is 16, B is also 16 because the radius of the sector, this is A, which is equal to R, this is also R, that is B, and this is angle 1 over 2 AB sine theta. We get finally the area of triangle 72.274. This is the area of triangle. Now we have to find actually the area of the shaded region. Area of shaded region will be area of sector minus area of triangle. So we get shaded area. Area of sector, that is 76.8. This is given, minus area of triangle OAB, that is 72.274. Now finally we get 4.53, correct to three significant figures. This is the answer. The next part B of this question is find the perimeter of the shaded region. This is the shaded region. To find the perimeter of shaded region, length of arc plus this line AB. Length of arc we have, it is already given. Length of arc is given 9.6, but now we have to find the length of this line AB. To find the length of AB, we make a construction on this diagram. This triangle OAB is an isosceles triangle because these two lengths are equal. This is a property of the triangle that if we join the midpoint of AB to this center of the circle, center of the sector, if we join these 2 points, then this point will be the midpoint of AB. Let this point is, we represent it by M. This point is M. So we have to find the length of AB. First of all, this angle will be half of the total angle, that is total angle is 0.6. We have already found half of this will be 0.3. Now in triangle OAM, in triangle OAM, we use trigonometric ratio AM. This is a perpendicular in this triangle OAM. This is a right angle triangle. OAM is a right angle triangle. We are using here the trigonometric ratio. This is perpendicular. Perpendicular is AM and hypotenuse is R, and theta is also given. We can find this AM. AM over R is equal to sine 0.3. Now R is given, that is 16. So from here AM will be 16 sine 0.3, but actually we have to find the length of AB. Length of AB will be 2 times of AM. So we find AB, length of AB 2 into AM. AM is 16 sine 0.3 multiply by 2, we get AB is equal to 32, or we can write it as 2 into 16 sine 0.3, we get 9.457. This is the length of line AB, and length of arc is already given 9.6. So finally, perimeter will be length of arc, that is 9.6, plus length of line, just we have found 9.457. We are adding these two, 9.457. Finally, we get 19.1 centimeter, equal to three significant figures. This is the answer.